you guys? It's another edition of Common Sense with Freddie. My name is Coach Wilfred Asukwo. I am a capacity builder. I came to the US to train as a pilot, but I transitioned to the tech space, and I can tell you it's been fantastic. I'm also the founder of a virtual coaching platform, Zit Worldwide. At Zit Worldwide, we help and we transition professionals or young people from menial jobs or from minimum wage to a six-figure space. Most importantly, at Zit Worldwide, we also support individuals to increase their capacity, point them to opportunities that can help them better scale. And as an IT consultant, I teach, I train, and also I mentor. So just in case you find yourself in need of any of these that I've shared with you, of course, there are links below this video that can help you up to speed if it's something that you want to explore. Okay, so today I want to quickly talk to you guys about business analysis and data analysis being saturated. I don't know where that came from though, but before I delve into it, if you're just joining us for the first time, please use the red subscribe button below this video to join our community. So when we post any of our videos, you can take advantage and see exactly what we're talking about. So let's start with business analysis. Business analysis have been existing long before now. So what exactly were you expecting? You think business analysis will just walk away? No. Business analysis can't even be replaced by AI. As a business analyst, you are tasked with 4 responsibilities, and that is elicitation, analysis, communication, and validation. I can tell you for a fact, your AI cannot elicitate. Nope. The AI cannot track the stakeholders to elicitate the requirements that will enable the business analyst to analyze and make possible or make available either the dashboard or either the use cases or either the user stories that will be built or worked on by the developers or that will be maximized by the stakeholders. The AI cannot do the work of a business analyst. I'm so sorry. Business analysis have been existing long before my parents even thought of giving birth to me. So AI cannot just wake up and then wipe business analysis away. And I can tell you for a fact, the business analyst will be the one to gather requirements that they use to build the AI. AI is what? Machine learning. And what happens to machine learning? People create use cases or create the user stories that creates the machine learning that brings about the AI. Data analysis as well. Yes, for a data to be created, there has to be a requirement that will be elicited. Even if it is being automated for the AI to track the models, to track the trends, of course, the requirements that makes that happen is still the analyst that will be able to gather and make that possible. So you can tell me that the data analyst demands might reduce because AI will be tracking most of the trends or make most of the analysis, but that it is fast becoming, saturated and eliminated? Absolutely no. Becoming a business analyst or a data analyst is a great career, and I will encourage anyone out there who desires to get into that space. Becoming a business analyst or becoming a data analyst is a great opportunity in the tech industry. It's a great opportunity in any field that you find yourself, any industry, as a matter of fact, whether it's in healthcare, whether it's in tech, whether it's in finance, in any aspect of the industry. These 2 skill sets are highly required. So don't feel nervous. Don't feel rejected. Don't feel the world has come to an end, that the AI is going to replace you. I will encourage you to take a shot at it. At Zit Worldwide, we do teach, we train, we hold workshops on business analysis and data analysis. Like we all know, in data analysis, we do have the qualitative and the quantitative analysis. And I can tell you that at Zit Worldwide, we offer all these so you can maximize to join our next cohort. This is a class that are being taught every single month at Zit Worldwide. So I encourage you to take advantage and don't be left out, and don't ever think it is saturated. Many companies are hiring business analysts. Many companies are hiring data analysts. So I want you to take advantage of this opportunity. It's an opportunity to start your journey in the tech space to making six-figure. Oh my gosh, I don't want you to be left out. See you all at the top, because the bottom is crowded.